Hey, kids, easy with the kitty. Evelyn loves the kitty. Give me the kitty, kitty. Oh. Poor cat. Okay, Evelyn, tat the kitty. Oh. Will you? Be nice to the cat, please. Poor cat. Bye-bye, kitty. Oh, no. She didn't jump. That's her usual escape route. Poor cat. She's a little bit, excited, so she doesn't seem to mind what the kids do to her. She's not happy about it, but she's not extremely upset. Alright, easy. Only cat in two different places. There goes the cat. It's okay, Evelyn. You guys are crazy. Poor cat. Alright. Just had to show you. Kids and the cat.